Hello students, this is Dr. Neena Setpatni. In continuation of our previous videos on road safety, let's take some frequently asked questions on road safety. Number one is near a pedestrian crossing, when the pedestrian are waiting to cross the road, then you should, option one is sound the horn and proceed, slow down and horn pass, stop the vehicle and wait till the pedestrian cross the road and then proceed. So answer is third. The following sign represent stop. You are approaching a narrow bridge. Another vehicle is about to enter the bridge from opposite side. Then you should wait till the other vehicle cross the bridge and then proceed. The following sign represent compulsory turn left. So here we will take answers only. When a vehicle is involved in any accident causing injury to any person, then take all the reasonable steps to secure medical attention to the injured and report to the nearest police station within 24 hours. This sign represents give way. On a road designated as one way, you should not drive in reverse gear. The following sign represent one way. You can overtake a vehicle in front through the right side of the vehicle only. The following sign represent U-turn is prohibited. When a vehicle approaches an unguarded railway level crossing, before crossing it, the driver shall stop the vehicle on the left side of the road, get down from the vehicle, go to the railway track, ensure that no train or trolley is coming from either side. The following sign represent pedestrian crossing. How can you distinguish a transport vehicle? By looking at the number plate of the vehicle. The following sign represent parking on right is allowed. Validity of learner license is for 6 months. The following sign represent right turn is prohibited. In a road without footpath, the pedestrian should walk on the right side of the road only. The following sign represent horn is prohibited. Free passage should be given to the following type of vehicles. Ambulance and fire service vehicles you should give. The following sign represent narrow bridge ahead. Vehicle proceeding from opposite direction should be allowed to pass your right side. The following sign represent hospital is nearby. Driver of a vehicle may overtake when the driver of the vehicle in front shows the signal to overtake. The following sign represents first aid post. Driver of a motor vehicle shall drive through the left side of the road. The following sign represent resting place. When a vehicle is parked on the roadside during night, the park light shall remain lit. The following sign represent end of speed restriction. Fog lamps are used when there is mist. The following sign represent narrow road ahead. Zebra lines are meant for pedestrian crossing. The following sign represent level crossing is unguarded. When an ambulance is approaching, the driver shall allow free passage by driving to the side of the road. The following sign represent overtaking is prohibited. Red traffic light indicate stop the vehicle. The following sign represent cross road. The parking a vehicle in front of entrance to the hospital is improper. The following sign represent no entry. When the slippery road sign is seen on the road, the driver shall reduce the speed by changing the gear. The following sign represent side road left. Overtaking is prohibited in the following circumstances: when it is likely to cause inconvenience or danger to other traffic. The following sign represent sound horn compulsory. Overtaking when approaching a bend is not permissible. The following sign represent compulsory turn right. Drunken driving prohibited in all the vehicles. The following sign represent no parking. Use of horn prohibited near hospital, court of law, schools, etc. The sign represent one way. Rear view mirror is used for watching the traffic approaching from the behind. This sign represent no entry for car and motorcycle. Boarding in and alighting from the vehicle while in motion prohibited all the vehicles. This sign represent trucks are prohibited. Parking is permitted where parking is not prohibited. This sign represent that bullock cart is prohibited. When fuel is filled in the vehicle, shall not smoke. The sign represent pedestrian are prohibited. Mobile phone shall not be used while driving a vehicle. This sign represent left turn is prohibited. Overtaking is prohibited when the road ahead is not clearly visible. This sign represent that the speed limit should not exceed 50 km per hour. The pedestrian shall not cross the road at sharp bend or very near to a stopped vehicle. Why? Because the driver of other vehicle coming at a distance may not see persons crossing the road. This sign represent no entry for vehicle having more than 2 meter width. Records of a private vehicles are registration certificate, insurance certificate, tax token, driving license. This sign represent entry for vehicle having height not exceeding 3.5 meter. While turning to a road to the left of the road in which you are going, you should show the left turn signal, keep the left side of the road and turn to the left. This sign represent no stopping or standing on the road. Validity of PUCC pollution under control certificate is for 6 months. This sign represent ahead only. While you are driving with the headlight in the high beam during night, the vehicle approaches from the opposite direction. You will dim the headlight till the vehicle passes. This sign represent compulsory ahead or turn left. The driver of a vehicle extends his right arm with the palm downward and moves the arm upward and downward several times. You will understand that he is slowing down the vehicle. This sign represents compulsory keep left. Minimum age for getting a license to drive a motorcycle without gear is 16 years. This sign represents right hand curve. When you see the traffic sign school, you should slow down and proceed with caution. This sign represents left hand curve. While turning to the left, the driver of two-wheeler shall show left turn signal with his right hand. This sign represents right hairpin bend. The signal while taking U-turn, right turn signal. This sign represents left hairpin bend. The driver of a vehicle shall not take U-turn in a busy road. This sign represents right reverse bend. One time tax for a new car is for 15 years. This sign represents left reverse bend. Before overtaking a vehicle, it should be ensured that the road ahead is clearly visible and it is safe to overtake. This sign represents excess weight limit. Number of person can be carried in the cabin of a goods carriage, as many person as recorded in the registration certificate. This sign represents side road right. When your vehicle is being overtaken, you should not obstruct the other vehicle from overtaking. This sign represents major road ahead. A place where parking is prohibited on footpath only. This sign represents roundabout. The handbrake is to be used to park a vehicle only. This sign represents this ferry. More than two person on a two-wheeler is violation of law. This sign represents guarded level crossing. You want to overtake a vehicle near a hospital, you should not blow horn. The sign represents Y intersection left. Using unregistered vehicle in public places illegal. This sign represents Y intersection. Minimum age of obtaining driving license for transport vehicle is 20 years. Thus, this sign represents Y intersection. So rest of the question we will take in next video. Thank you.